Hi everyone, I see you guys joining. Welcome, welcome. Hello everyone, I'm Fedizat. I'm so happy to see you all here today. Welcome guys. Let me know guys, where are you from? I'm in New Jersey. Welcome, welcome. LA, India, Dubai, Miami, New Jersey, UK. Welcome, guys. So excited. New York, Greece, Germany. Wow. Italy, Philippines, Spain. This is so incredible, guys, to see all of you today from different countries here. I'm so excited. Welcome, welcome, everyone. All right, we will be kicking things off in about a minute. I'm very happy to see all of you today and share my knowledge with you. This is a live webinar, so there's going to be a 30-second delay, guys, so stay with me. And before we dive in, I have a special bonus for you guys. Stick around until the end, and I will share a step-by-step guide and practice file for today's tips so you can apply them immediately at home. And if you're watching from your phone, no worries, just relax. You will get the recording and the file after the session, so you can open it on your computer, watch it again, and practice along the way with me. All right. Let me know, guys, if you can hear me well. Put yes in the comments. Great. I can see that you guys can hear me well. This is amazing. So let me start my presentation. All right. I hope you guys can see it. If you guys don't know me, I'm Farizat, an Excel coach and Microsoft MVP, which means I stay up to date with all the latest updates in Microsoft products. If you feel overwhelmed or stressed when working with Excel, today's session is for you. I will show you my top 5 Excel productivity tips and formulas that will make you confident in handling data quickly and efficiently. So by the end of this session, you will know exactly how to tackle data in Excel without wasting hours or making mistakes. Let me know, guys, if you are excited. Put yes in the comments. It is very important for me to see your reactions because I don't see your faces, guys, and seeing your comments is very helpful. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. I love this energy. We had this Excel training last month, and people from the training and my students were able to achieve some great results by implementing those game-changing Excel tips into their work, which helped them to handle data so much faster, save tons of time, feel more confident, and be more efficient. So this is my goal, guys, to make sure that you can apply that you learned today at your work and see results right away. Now, let's talk about the biggest struggle I know many of you face, spending hours in Excel instead of actually saving time using it. You know, you open a spreadsheet, see all this data, and you don't know where to start. You're moving too slow, you're falling behind at work, maybe you feel like you're wasting your time in Excel, or you're using the wrong formula or manually doing tasks that could be automated. Let me know, guys, if you ever felt this way. Type yes in the comments. Yes, yes, yes. I see a lot of yeses and I feel you guys. I've been there too, and my students have been there too. Using Excel in the workplace wasn't easy initially. Same as you, I was so anxious when I was opening the spreadsheets, like those big spreadsheets with bunch of numbers. You don't know where to start, which formula to use to get the result you need, right? And at my job, I was responsible for preparing sales tax, and it would take me more than a week to prepare and file all the data. Like, it was a lot of work. And one day I've decided to invest into learning in Excel. I practiced a lot. I had a great teacher at my grad school. And once I've learned the right techniques and gained the confidence to use Excel efficiently, my productivity skyrocketed. I went from spending 2 weeks preparing sales tax reports to finishing them in just few days with zero stress, guys. Plus now I had this extra skill that my coworkers didn't have, and that made me an Excel expert at my job. I've worked on different Excel projects, not only in my department, but with all the departments in the company. From sales, marketing, logistics, literally everyone needs Excel, guys. Let me know, what is your profession? I'm so curious. Let me see, guys, what do you do for a living? Nutritionist, marketing, project manager, accountant, revenue manager, teacher, lawyer, medical assistant. Wow, this is so cool, guys. See, everyone needs to know how to use Excel. No matter what industry you're in, Excel is a must-have skill, guys. It's what allowed me to advance in my career and spend more time with my family, with my daughter, because I was able to automate my tasks and go home early with no stress. I even started a side hustle because I had more free time, guys. So this is why it is so cool to know these Excel tips. They can really help you to save time at work, and you can use this time for yourself. And I know that a lot of people struggle to use Excel efficiently because they just lack the right techniques and they don't understand the logic behind these formulas or features so they can apply them at work. But I have great news for you guys. It is so easy to fix. And by the end of the session, you will know exactly how to control Excel, how to use it to your advantage. You will stop wasting time and start achieving results faster. So let's jump right into my 5 productivity tips that will transform how you work with Excel. All right, guys, are you ready to go from confused Excel user where I was to an Excel expert where I am now? Say yes in the comments if you're the same excited as me. Yay, I see a lot of yeses. I'm so excited. So let's get started. I'm going to share my Excel file right now, guys, so stay with me. Let me stop presentation. And I'm gonna share my screen. All right. Let me know, guys, if you can see my screen. Just put yes in the comments. Yes, yes, yes. You can see, you can see. Okay, awesome. And can you hear me as well? Yes, yes, yes. Great. All right, perfect. All right, let's dive in. So I want you guys to understand that there are 3 main steps when working with data in Excel. First step is data cleaning and preparation. We have to make sure that our data is in a table format, meaning each piece of data has to be in its own column. No blank cells, no duplicates, no merged cells, okay? We also need to make sure that our data is the proper format. No extra spaces, no extra characters, proper format of the text. And after the data is cleaned up, it's ready for analysis. Here we can use Excel's powerful formulas and functions to perform calculations and analyze data. Functions you need to know for analysis include mathematical, statistical, logical, lookup functions. Also, we can create pivot tables to summarize and explore data. Pivot tables allow you to easily rearrange and filter data for insightful analysis. And last step, presenting data. Here we can use graphics, charts, sliders, timelines, dashboards to present our data. We can also use tools like conditional formatting to highlight important data points. All right, so let's take a look at our first example. Here we have address and street name, city, and state in one cell. And if you want to work with this data, you want to group it or filter it, for example, by the city, you won't be able to because it's all in one cell. So this is why it is so important to split data into columns, like street name has to be in its own column, city in its own column, state in its own column, and zip code in its own column to be able to work with this data, to apply formulas, functions, to use filters, etc. Right? There are a few ways to split data in Excel. So I will show you today 3 ways how you can do that. And the reason I want you to guys know all of those methods to split data, because in some cases it's better to use one method, and in other cases another method. So just take a look and then you will understand which one is better for which situation. Okay? So again, when we upload data from different sources, a lot of time our data is all in one cell, right? So in this case, I suggest, and then you even like have options when you upload data to use text to columns. So let me show you how it works. First, let's highlight our data. Go to data, text to columns. Okay, here we're gonna choose delimited and hit next. In the step number 2, we will choose delimiter. So delimiter is something which splits our data. So in our case, comma splits our data, right? We have a street name, comma, city, comma, state, comma, zip code. So we're gonna select comma. And on the bottom, you can see how our data is going to look. Now hit next. And the step number 3, we can select the format for each column, right? And also we can select destination for our new data. If you keep B5, it means our original data is going to be replaced with the new data. I want to have it next to it, so I don't want to replace it, so I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to select cell D5, right? So this way I'm going to have data in this table. Okay, and then just hit finish. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, my data did split. However, I have some blank cells here. And why did this happen? Let's see. So in our original data, we have comma 2 times here, right? It means Excel thought there is some data between commas and split it by comma, and we have now empty cells. This happens a lot. Again, it happened to me when I was working some, I don't remember, Amazon reports or whatever. I would import my data and then I would split it, and my data was all over the place. And I had to manually, like literally drag it like this to fix it, to align properly. It would take me so much time because the file was huge. So now, fortunately, we have a new formula which can help us with this issue. So this was not method number 1. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do it with the formula. So the formula called text split, right? Text split function. It allows you to split a single column of text data into multiple columns based on specific delimiter or character. So basically it does the same things as text to columns. However, it has some extra arguments which can help us to avoid this issue. So we're going to start with equal sign. When you work with functions and formulas, it always starts with equal sign. So equal sign, text split. Okay. Now select text. We're going to select B5, comma. Now we're going to enter delimiter. When we do it with the formula, we have to make sure that delimiter is in quotation marks. So open quotation mark, put delimiter, close quotation mark, comma. We're going to skip this argument. And this is the next argument. This is what we need. So true is to ignore empty cells, and false is to include empty cells. We need to ignore empty cells, right? We don't want to have this data all over the place. So we're going to select true. Close bracket and hit enter. Perfect. So let's see how it split our data. So now you can see that our data is split perfectly with no extra cells. So you see, guys, why it is important to stay up to date with Excel, because they have new formulas and functions always coming in, and these formulas can save you so much headache and so much time, guys. I wish I had those. I wish I knew about this formula when I was working at my previous job. So here you go, guys. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about these formulas and how to text split into columns. Let me know if you understood everything. Okay, see, someone said awesome formula. Yes, very helpful, useful, nice. Yes, guys, trust me. Oh, this formula is the best. Yay, you loved it. Awesome, awesome. We'll try it at work today. Yes, guys, try and let me know if it worked for you. I'm so excited. It was very helpful, amazing. Woohoo! All right, amazing, guys. All right, let's move to our tip number 2. Flash fill. I love flash fill. This is another way you can actually split data in Excel. So let's say we have here first and last name, and we want to split it. We want to have first name in this column and last name in this column. Again, you can use text to column to split the data. You can use text split function to split the data, and you can use flash fill to split the data. Flash fill is like magic. Basically, you show flash fill what you want to achieve. You press Control E shortcut, and flash fill will repeat the pattern to the rest of the data. Let me just show you how it works. So basically, I want to have first name in this column. I'm going to type John, hit enter, and then Control E. And you see Excel populated the rest of the data automatically. I didn't need to type it. I just gave example to Excel that here I need John and whatever first names in this column. I hit enter, I press Control E, Excel looked what I did and then applied it to the rest of the cells, right? So let's do the same thing with the last name. Smith, hit enter and press Control E. Boom, done. I have last name in this column. This is so easy, so helpful, guys. Like, it can save you so much time. And the best part about flash fill, it can do all different things, right? We just split the text. Now, let's say I want to combine them together, right? So that's just me. I want to split it, and now I want to combine it. So how can I do it? Very simple with no formulas. Just gonna give example to Excel. John Smith, hit enter and press Control E. Done. My data now is in one column, guys, and I didn't need to use any formulas for that. This is so easy and so helpful. Just imagine having 100 of rows with names, and boom, you're done. You fixed it in a second. And like I said, flash fill can do so many different things. It's amazing because, like, let's say let's look at our next example. Again, when you import data in Excel, I can guarantee you're going to have some weird characters in your data. You want to delete it. Instead of going one by one, you can actually use flash fill to do it for you. So here we want to remove, let's say we have documents here, you know, like IT 2024, tax, etc. We want to remove 2024. So I'm going one by one, removing it like this. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to use flash fill. So all I need to do is just, again, give example to Excel what I want, right? What is my result I want to have. So we're going to type IT, hit enter, and then press Control E. Boom. I have all the names without the 2024 now. So easy. It took me 5 seconds. Now let's say you want to replace 2024 with 2025. Again, all I need to do is just give example to Excel and it will do it for me. IT 2025, Control E, done. Like, it's really a magic. It is like super useful tool for cleaning, formatting, transforming data without having to write complicated formulas and instructions. You can even like change the format of the text. Let's say you have a phone number and you want to add dashes between numbers. You can literally just show Excel how you want your numbers to look, the format, press Ctrl E and it will do it for you. So easy, guys, so simple. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this tip? This is one of the favorite productivity tips, guys, I have, because it can save you so much time. I have a questions here. So if there's a mixed pattern like 3 words or 2 words, will this work with flash fill? No, guys. In order to flash fill to work properly, the pattern has to be the same. So you see how I have first name and last name in every single cell. So if it would be like first name, middle name, last name in one of them, it wouldn't work for that cell properly. Yes, I see you guys love the flash fill. Awesome. Yeah, yes, guys. It is so easy, right? Excel can be so fun. Okay, cool. I see you guys love it and you understand how to use it. This is amazing. I am very happy. So, okay, let's move to the next tip. It's also one of my favorite tips. Okay. So let's say you need to reconcile a list of customers from 2 systems. So make sure you record everything properly, right? Instead of manually comparing one by one or using complicated formulas or using conditional formatting, we will be using my favorite shortcut. So all we need to do is to select our data, right? And then press Ctrl and backslash on your keyboard. Now we're just going to highlight those cells. Awesome. That's it, guys. Done. It is so simple. Literally few seconds and you know which names were not in the system number 1. This is such a crazy hack which will save you tons of time. Like as you can see, here is discrepancy, right? This is different names, same. And now I know I have to fix this in the system too to make sure it's properly recorded. Such a simple hack, guys, but can save you so much time. Let me know, guys, in the comments, what do you think about this tip? This is like one of my favorite ones. Wow, amazing. I can totally use it. This is so cool. Love it. Right? It's mind-blowing. Like 1 second and you're done. How many tips I guys showed you? Already 3 tips. They're so easy, so quick to use, can save you so much time. Okay, guys, I see you understand all of that. Awesome. Let's move to the next one. Fix text. This is also very, very useful function for fixing text. It's simple, it's fun, and again, we have to clean up our data before we work with that. So one of the most important things I always tell to my students, when you import data from different sources, make sure to check if there's extra spaces. Because if you have extra spaces in your document, it means it will give you problems later. You won't be able to use formulas like XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP. It's not gonna be able to match your data properly because you have extra spaces. So I will show you guys how to fix that, how to make sure how to remove those extra spaces. And also I will show you how to fix the format of the messy text. So let's take a look at this example. Here we have a customer name. It's all over the place, right? We have like different letters. We have a bunch of spaces. It's not gonna be it's not a useful data. We can't work with this data, right? So let's fix it. So how can we remove extra spaces? Thankfully, there's a very cool function called stream function in Excel. It's used to remove extra spaces from the text string. So let's see how it works. Again, we are starting with equal sign, stream, select your data, close bracket, and hit enter. Now I have to fill that down. Awesome. Now we have our names. Excuse me. Our names with no extra spaces, right? So now let's just make it in a proper format, meaning the first letter will be capitalized and the rest of the letters will be small. Equal sign, type proper, select text, close brackets, hit enter. Done. So we used basically two formulas, two functions to fix our original text. Now, what if we combine them, right? We're going to nest those together to avoid those two steps. So instead of doing 1, 2, we're going to type equal sign, proper, open brackets, trim, open brackets, and only now we will select the text. Now close bracket for trim and close bracket again for proper. So basically B5, we applying proper function and the trim function to the cell B5, right? Having them together. Now hit enter and after fill that down. Done. So simple, so useful, guys. And I will show you later why it is so important to remove extra spaces, guys. Let me know, guys, what do you think about these formulas? Yes, I can see, guys, you love it. It's clear for you. Very helpful. So helpful, amazing, awesome. I am so happy you guys like it. I'm so happy you guys understand it and it's helpful for you. And it's also easy and fun, right? Okay, amazing. All right, let's move to my next favorite tip, XLOOKUP. This is going to be a little more complicated, but stay with me, guys. This is one of the most important formulas you have to know. If you go into the interview, make sure to know this because they will ask you what is XLOOKUP. They will tell you to do some assignments, so make sure to know how to use XLOOKUP, okay, and VLOOKUP. All right, let's go. So after we did all this cleaning up, we made sure there's no extra spaces, there's no extra characters, your data is in a table format, we can move to analyzing this new data. There's so many cool Excel functions and formulas for analyzing it, from like logical functions, if, sum if, etc., to lookup functions, to mathematical functions. All of them are super, super useful, and they're necessary if you want to analyze data in Excel. And they're actually very easy to use once you know how to use them properly. So one of the functions I want you to show today is XLOOKUP. It is a very popular function. Again, make sure to know it before you go to interview. And I actually had it on it's one of the interviews. I had VLOOKUP exercise. So make sure to know, guys, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So let's dive in. What is XLOOKUP? So XLOOKUP allows you to search a specific value in table and range, and then take this value and return it return corresponding value from the specified column. So it may sound confusing, but once I will show you this example, you will understand what it means. So let's just dive into the example. Here we have some sales data. We have purchase ID number, we have a date, we have a product ID, sales, store location, and we need to get product name and description ID for this product ID, right? So this is table number 1. And then we have table number 2, which is my catalog. In the catalog data, I have product ID, I have product name and description. So basically, I need to look up this product ID in this catalog table, copy the data, and bring this data into my main table, right? Simple as that. We can go MCC1, find it here somewhere. Oh gosh, takes forever. Okay, anyways, it's somewhere here. But let's say this is MCC1. Copy this and paste it in here, right? Instead of doing it manually, we will be using XLOOKUP. And one of the another advantages with XLOOKUP compared to VLOOKUP, if you want to bring multiple values, right? I need product name and description. Instead of doing 2 separate formulas, I can just bring those 2 data with 1 formula. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it right now. So we're going to start by typing XLOOKUP, XLOOKUP. Okay, selected. Now, lookup value is the value we are searching for. We're searching for product ID number, right? So basically, we're taking this product ID and we're searching it in the catalog. So select product ID and put comma. Now, lookup array. This is the range of cells containing the values to be searched. So where's this product ID located in our catalog? It's located in column M. So let's select column M for our lookup array. Okay. Now, return array. So this is the difference between VLOOKUP. If you would use VLOOKUP, you can't return different values, right? You can only return 1 value. But here with XLOOKUP, we can select 2 values, for example, to be returned. So we need to return product name and description. So we are going to select product name and description to return it to our table, right? Now put comma. This argument, if not found, is optional, but I always suggest using it because it looks more professional. So for example, if you have product ID number in your main table, but you don't have it in the catalog, instead of getting an A error, you can tell Excel to put something instead. For example, I want to say it's not in stock, right? If it's not in the catalog, it means it's not in stock. Comma, and the last argument is 0 for exact match, or false or true for approximate match. So we're just going to put 0, close brackets, and hit enter. Done. Now just fill this formula down. Boom, with 1 formula, we have 2 values returned from the catalog. This is very useful, and you have to know these formulas for 100%, guys. They will ask you at the interview, and this is the formulas you use every day. All right. Oh, before I forgot, remember I told you guys why it is so important to make sure there's no extra spaces in your data. So let me show you what's going to happen if I will put space here. See, Excel doesn't see this product ID because it have extra space in my catalog. It's going to say it's not in stock because basically it is not in stock because it's different because it have extra space. But it is so hard to see it, right? You wouldn't even know there's extra space, and you would think this item is actually not in stock instead of realizing there is like an error. or if you get an error, and like try and dig in and understand why there's no, why your formula doesn't work properly, just make sure there's no extra spaces, or you can just nest trim function right into XLOOKUP. So let me show you. So this is my XLOOKUP. I'm gonna put trim here, open brackets, and I'm gonna trim F11, right? And just hit enter. Now it works because trim function removed extra space from product ID, and then XLOOKUP looked this new value with no extra space in the catalog, and then it worked. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this formula? I am so excited, guys, to share this with you because it's so important to know this. Wow, amazing function. Had no idea trim is so important. Love XLOOKUP. We'll try it today. Awesome. I use VLOOKUP, but XLOOKUP is so much better. Yes, guys, it is so much better and it's easier to use. All right, guys, this is amazing. So the last tip I want to show you, also extremely simple, is AutoSum. So let's say you have this data and you need to just total your number. So how do we usually do it? Equal sign, sum, open bracket, select data, close it, hit enter, then after fill to the right. Now same thing here, sum, open brackets, select data, done. So, I mean, it is quick, but it does take time, right? Especially if you have like multiple reports, you have to do it for each of that. So I love this shortcut. It's so simple. Just select your data like this, and then press Alt equal sign on your keyboard. Oops, hold on. Let me select it again. Select your data, Alt equal sign. Here you go. 1 second, and it was done. And it's actually the formula. You see, it's a sum function, so it is dynamic. If your data changes, your numbers will change as well. So this is super, super easy. And let's say you want to do it for multiple reports. Just select the first table, press Control, select the second one, and then press Alt equal sign. Done. And I summed up both tables in 1 second, guys. What do you guys think about this tip? Let me know in the comments. This is awesome, super easy. I love it. I'm gonna try it. Yes, guys, let me know. Try it and let me know if it works for you. So, so, so excited. Awesome. Yay, I'm so happy you guys loved it. All right, let me start my presentation again. All right, so let me know, guys, how many of you think you can apply at work what we covered today? At least like 30% of it. We learned how to clean up data, how to split it into columns, how to use flash fill, how to use XLOOKUP, how to use trim function, and AutoSum. Let me know, guys, in the comments if you can use it, if you can apply those tips at work. I can use all of those tips at work. This is amazing. Yes, awesome. Good job, guys. I can definitely use XLOOKUP and trim. Nice. Trim and XLOOKUP and flash fill are game changers for me. So happy, guys. I had no idea trim is so useful. Right? Like those little tricks can save you so much time. I love it. And the thing is that a lot of people think that it is so hard to use Excel, but you saw today how easy it can be and how fun it can be. You just need to know the right features and the formulas so you understand the logic behind them. However, learning Excel can take time and can be challenging if you're doing it alone. So you guys have two choices right now. You can learn Excel on your own or by watching YouTube tutorials, by trying to learn it on your job. It may work for you, but it will cost you time, promotion, and stress. And to be honest, just watching tutorials is not enough. You need guidance and practice. Right, guys? Let me know, guys, if you ever tried mastering Excel by watching YouTube tutorials and if it ever worked for you. I've been there too, trust me. Or there's option number 2. If you want to avoid mistakes and stress and you want to actually save time using Excel without Googling every single task forever, work 10 times faster, automate tasks in seconds, get answers quick, organize spreadsheets, and see what to do step by step, you can master Excel in the next few weeks, guys, with well-structured lessons, step-by-step tutorials, practice files, and my guidance. Which option would you choose, guys? Do you want to do it on your own, struggle a bit, or you want to do it with a coach? Let me know, guys. 1 or 2. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Yes, I see a lot of 2s coming in, and you are absolutely right, guys. Right? I am so happy we're on the same page, guys, because we need guidance. And if you are that person who wants to skip the wasted time and mistakes and finally master Excel in 15 days, I'm so excited, guys, to invite you to my Excel Pro Challenge. You saw how many cool things you can do with Excel and that was such a small part of what we can actually accomplish with Excel, guys. It is crazy how much stuff you can do there. And you guys are getting a special deal today with this exciting bonuses because you showed up today, and I know this is so important for you guys. So let's be productive and efficient, right? Let me tell you more about my challenge. So with my challenge, you will go from the beginner to a pro. I will take you through the basics of Excel to advanced Excel functions, including top 40 plus Excel functions and formulas. With this efficiency, you will work 10 times faster in Excel by mastering tools like pivot tables, pivot charts, and new advanced Excel functions and formulas. Just imagine, you saw how many cool things we did today. Imagine knowing 40 plus most important Excel functions and how much time it will save you. Because I want to be able to do, all I want you to do is to just plug in these numbers and the rest of the shit lights up, like anywhere you are with any business you're in. And you might say, I already know how to use Excel. I already feel like I'm efficient with it. But without the ability to automate at the advanced level that I teach, you will not be able to reuse reports. You will not be able, all you will be able to do just one and done. And this is as far as you're going to go. So even if you've been using Excel for a while, but you've been using only one old formula or function or someone's template, which means you won't be able to be self-efficient and fast. You won't know how to improve your spreadsheets, how to make them faster, how to them make work for you. But with Excel for that Pro Challenge, I will help you to go from confused Excel user to an Excel Pro. I will teach you with the most important skills all professionals should know. You will work 10 times faster and you will automate reports in seconds. Who is with me, guys? Let me know in the comments. Me, I'm interested. I want. How much? We'll get a me. All right. I'm so excited, guys, that you guys want to join my challenge. This is so exciting. So let's see what we will do at our challenge. Let's see. All right, we will start our challenge, our journey by taking you through the basics of Excel to advanced Excel functions and formulas, including top 40 plus Excel functions, right? So the day number 1 is Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Day number 2, mathematical functions in Excel like sum and sum product, average function, and percentage gain. Those are very important. Then we'll move to lookup functions, VLOOKUP, index match, and XLOOKUP. Again, you have to know those for interview. Then we'll move to mastering tools like advanced mathematical, statistical, Excel functions, pivot tables, pivot charts. Like with this knowledge, you'll be able to work 10 times faster in Excel, guys. So day number 4 will be advanced mathematical statistical functions. They will move to logical functions, text formulas, data and time formulas. And day number 9 is pivot tables. Pivot tables are also so important, guys. There's so many things you can do with pivot tables, and I feel like 1% of population of the professionals know what you can do with pivot tables. So we will learn everything about pivot tables, how to create them, how to sort, filter, group data in pivot tables, how to customize calculations, how to create pivot charts, and power pivots. Like with this knowledge, you'll be able to work so much faster, guys. And then day 15 is a final assignment, and then you will get a certificate. So you guys will have a well-structured lessons, practice files, step-by-step tutorials, and my guidance, guys. There's going to be a community chat where you can ask all of the questions related to Excel. It even can be questions not for the lessons, but let's say you have some Excel issue and you don't know what to do with it, you can go ahead and ask me, and I'm always there to help my students. Awesome. I see you guys excited. And this challenge is great for all skills levels, guys, from beginner to advanced levels. I know if you do the work and follow our step-by-step challenge, you will, without a doubt, master Excel in 15 days. Go from confused to a pro with Excel, work 10 times faster, understand which formula or function to use right away without Googling. Automate tasks and reports and stop repeating the same task every month, guys. Eliminate mistakes and become an Excel expert at your job, which will add you so much value to your resume, giving you career growth possibilities, guys. You can get a raise, get a better job. You will be confident and independent. Like no more asking for help from your coworkers or your boss. And you will be protected with 100% money back guarantee within 30 days, guys. This is my commitment to you. I want there to be zero risk whatsoever when you join Farizat's Excel Pro Challenge. You can join the challenge with no doubt, guys. You can try it and let me know if something doesn't work for you. You will get your 100% money back guarantee, guys. And you can join this challenge today with an exclusive deal, 50% off, guys. Only for $199, which is the price of one of my courses. And instead of getting one course, you will get entire challenge to master Excel in 15 days. Only for $199, such a tiny, tiny investment, guys. You will master Excel in 15 days. Go from confused to a pro in Excel, work 10 times faster, automate tasks and reports, stop repeating the same task every month, saving you 1-2 hours a day. Eliminate manual mistake with automation. Become one of the sharpest people in the workplace. Impress your boss. Make your job so much more enjoyable and not stressful because you are not struggling with Excel anymore. Add value to your resume and make sure you just enjoying working with Excel. You're just having fun, right? You're not struggling with it anymore. You can get all of this, guys, in just 2 weeks. You can master Excel. Let me share the offer with you guys. Okay, you should see the offer now, and I'm so happy to see you guys joining. So this special deal is available for 72 hours, and this is the most affordable offer I have, guys. We also have payments plans for those who need it. You can either pay one time of $199 or over 2 or 3 months. So it's up to you guys. So this is the link, guys. Please click on it and join me. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions. Please type in your questions right now in the comments. I'm gonna go look at your comments. I see you guys joining. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to make you go from Excel confused user to an Excel pro at your job. I am so excited, guys. You guys gonna save so much time with Excel. Okay, I see some questions. What time will be the training? So all the lessons are pre-recorded, guys. You can access them anytime from anywhere. And you can ask me questions also anytime as well. If you have some troubles with lessons or homework, I will be always there for you to guide you, okay? Yay, see you guys joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have some amazing feedbacks from my students. They used to spend like hours manually updating spreadsheet and doing the same task over and over again. And by learning the right Excel techniques at our challenge, my student reduced report preparation time from days to hours. There's also like once I automated the processes, I was able to focus more on my family, etc., etc. You guys can see what my students are saying. Like Excel helped me so much personally. You know, I was able to literally save so much time and spend time with my daughter. It was so helpful. And yes, and as you can see, Excel helped me, not just me, but also more than 500 of my students. They're able not only master Excel, but actually apply those knowledge at work, save tons of time, transform their workflow, become efficient and proficient, which is my goal, to make sure you guys can use this knowledge at work and see results right away. All right, guys. Any other questions? Let me know. Do you have some info about the course schedule? Okay, guys, so all the lessons are pre-recorded, okay? You can open them and watch them anytime. There's no schedule. They're like all of them are in a platform. You can click and go ahead and do it right away, because you guys all from different countries, and I want it to be convenient for all of us to make sure we can study at the time which is convenient for us. All right, so guys, you can access those lessons anytime. I need help to sign up. I'm going to put my email here. So you guys can email me if you have any issues, any questions. Okay, just email me, guys. If you can sign up, if you have some questions, just email me. I'll be there for you to help you. Okay. Can I sign up later? Yes, guys, you can sign up later. However, you have 72 hours to get this 50% off deal. Are we going to cover Excel functions for accountants? Yes, absolutely. We will cover mathematical, statistical, logical functions like sum if, lookup, XLOOKUP, and you need all of these formulas and functions for accounting. Do you cover pivot table? Yes, guys, we will cover pivot tables, pivot charts, and power pivots. Like, you have no idea how many cool things you can do with pivot tables. It's crazy. People probably know, like I said, like 1% of pivot table features, but there's so much more you can do with it. Where can I see materials and lessons? So once you sign up, you will see everything in your platform. There will be like Excel challenge. You can click on it and you will see lessons for each day, plus step-by-step guide, practice file, and the homework. And also there's going to be a community chat where you can ask me questions. Awesome. I see you guys joining. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, I have more stuff for you because I prepared some excited bonuses and we're going to share it with you right now. So if you're here today, you know you need to master Excel. This is your chance not only get 50% off and master Excel in 50 days, but also get the special bonuses. Bonus number one, lifetime access to the challenge. I usually don't do that, but you will have lifetime access to the challenge, guys. And if you're busy right now, you can take advantage of this deal and you can start this challenge anytime, at any convenient day, guys. You'll also have access to all the practice files, all the homework assignments, step-by-step guides, and exclusive lifetime access to Farizat Excel community, where I will help you to answer any of Excel related questions, which will help you to get results fast. This is like amazing bonus, guys, because with the guidance, you will get results fast. You will learn fast. And also I will help you with your issues with Excel, whichever it is. And you're going to get bonus flashcards, Excel shortcuts, and 40 plus Excel formulas and functions. So you will have those flashcards. They're so easy to use. You can print them out. You can use them as like on the stickers. Like so convenient, guys. You can have them in your purse, like in your backpack at work, and can be your guidance. You can just pull it up and look how to use this formula or how to use this shortcut. Super useful. And you guys will get bonus mini course, Introduction to Microsoft Excel. It's a very like half an hour course, and I always suggest everyone start with this course and then move to the challenge. And you will be also protected with 100% money back guarantee. Let me know, guys, if you have more questions. Let me see your comments. I just signed up. Yay, welcome. Can I have an invoice for reimbursement? Yes, absolutely. Just email me and I will send you invoice. And by the way, guys, this is a great tip. Your employer definitely wants you to be advanced in Excel, so you can ask actually them to reimburse you for the course. I just joined. I'm so excited. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. I see so many of you joining. This is so awesome. How much time would it actually take to learn all these functions and tools? So I would say each day requires like 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes to go through the materials, to practice, to do the homework. But yeah, some people can like get it done in 15 minutes. For some people, it take longer. But you will see how easy it is to, to understand it, to apply it. All right, guys, and I have 2 more special bonuses for you. This is for everyone who's signing up right now, guys. There's 2 bonuses. If you sign up right now for this challenge, you will get my ultimate goal and habit tracker. So this is one of the most popular spreadsheets I ever created. It will be perfect for you to write down your goals, to track your progress. I use it myself. I love this tracker. It helps you to stay motivated and on top of my goals and habits. And you guys can have it absolutely free if you sign up right now to my challenge. I will send everyone today who signed up today this bonus goal and habit tracker. Yay! I'm so excited to see you guys join in. I see more people are joining. All right, let me go to my second bonus. The second bonus, I created a special study tracker for this challenge where you will be able to mark your progress. So will help you to stay on track and master Excel in 15 days. Like, you will see what you need to do every day. You will mark what you've done. Like, it will show your progress for the whole challenge, for each day. It is so useful. It is so easy to use it, and it will help you to stay motivated and to finish this challenge and to get till the end and get that certificate. I am so, so excited, guys, for you to use it. I love trackers like this. I create them all the time for myself to be able to not get distracted, to stay on my goals. Awesome. Let me know, guys, if you have more questions. Yay, so many people are joining. Welcome, everyone. Can I have a recording? Yes, guys, everyone who joined today will get the recording. I will email it to you. Yay, I see someone wants to join. Awesome. Welcome, welcome. Okay, guys. Welcome, guys. So many of you are joining. Wow, this is incredible. What date the challenge starts? So this is a recorded challenge, guys. You can start it anytime, any day. Plus, if you sign up today, you will get lifetime access to the challenge and my support and those extra exciting bonuses, my tracker and the goal and habit tracker. Can I go back to the lesson I already did? Yes, absolutely. You can go back to it. You can do it again if you want. You can use it as a reference. Some of my students, use it as a cheat sheet, especially flashcards. Like I said, it's so convenient. If you forgot something at work, just look at your stuff. You can log in, you can go through the lessons, and you can look at your flashcards. Yay, see you guys joining. I will send everyone tracker. Yes, no worries. I'm so excited. Welcome, welcome, everyone. More people are joining. Welcome, guys. Is it for beginners? Yes, guys. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We go from easy to advanced, and you will have my support. And if you're intermediate or advanced level, also don't worry. You will learn a lot of new advanced techniques that will save you hours at work. I can guarantee you guys, you don't know a lot of those tips I'm going to share. Do you answer Excel questions which are not covered in the course? Absolutely, guys. I help my students with any Excel questions. You can even email me your spreadsheet and I will take a look and guide you guys. How can I pay? Well, you guys should see the link on the bottom. Let me sure it's. I'm gonna share the offer again to make sure you guys see it. Okay, you guys should see the offer. Yes, so you can click on the link and you can pay with credit card or PayPal. Where I will see the challenge. So once you sign up, you create your login and password. You log into your profile and you will see everything there. Yay, welcome, welcome everyone. I see you guys. Don't worry, everyone will get my trackers, the gold tracker. What if I have old version of Excel? It's totally fine, guys. Most of the things in the course are on old versions of Excel. There are some things which are not, but I always include alternative methods. For example, XLOOKUP is on Excel 365, but VLOOKUP on all versions of Excel. So I show both. If you don't have XLOOKUP, just use VLOOKUP. Those both functions give you the same result. All right, guys, let me know if you have more questions. I will wait for you a little bit longer to make sure everyone sign up and to make sure you guys all get the tracker. And then I will share the practice file. I didn't forget. What if I fall behind? Can I revisit earlier lessons? Definitely, guys. You will have lifetime access so you can revisit any lessons anytime at your own pace. Yay, welcome, welcome, guys. I'm so excited to see you in my challenge, to see how your progress is going, to help you guys to become an Excel pro. Woohoo! I used to spend hours manually updating spreadsheet guides and perform the same task every month. I was an accountant. I'm sure if you're an accountant, you know you do the same things every single month. But once I mastered those right techniques, I was able to get it done in few hours instead of a few days. I had more free time, which let me focus more on my family, spend time with my daughter, and start my side hustle, guys. And Excel helped not just me, but also my students. I have like over 600 students. They're able not only master Excel, but actually apply that knowledge at work, save tons of time, and make transform their workflow and become more efficient and proficient, which is my goal, guys, to make sure you guys can use this knowledge at work and see results right away. I know a lot of you are busy professionals, and if you have a lot going on at work or life right now, you can start this challenge anytime. Take advantage of this deal. It gives you lifetime access to the challenge and to my support, so you can start anytime. And all you need, guys, is half an hour a day. And trust me, you will see the difference. You will have less stressful life. I think we all deserve it. Just a little more automation, saving time so you can have this time for yourself. And make sure to use my trackers to track your progress, to track your goals. It will help you to be motivated to master Excel. And if you use my goal and habit tracker in all other life aspects, like I don't know, if you want to go to the gym more often, you can put it all there and you can track it, and it will help you to be more like on top of your goals. It will be help, like you will be more motivated. When you see your progress, it will motivate you to stay on top of it. All right, guys, let me know if you have more questions. I'll stay a little bit longer. If you join the course, you can absolutely ask me any question, guys, through the email or community group. So once you sign up, you will get access to everything. Yay, see more people signing up. I'm so excited. Does the 72-hour deal mean I can only sign up during that time frame? The discount is only available during 72-hour window. You will get 50% off plus bonuses, lifetime access to the challenge, my support, flashcards, Excel shortcuts, Excel functions, shortcuts, and intro into Microsoft Excel mini course. And also, if you sign up right now, you will also get my trackers. But you can join me, join the challenge even after 72 hours. The only difference, you won't have a deal, like you won't have a discount and you won't have all these bonuses. If I pay over 2-3 months, do I get the same deal? Yes, if you do one-time payment or over 2 or 3 months, it doesn't matter. You are getting all of the bonuses. What if I struggle with specific function? Is there one-on-one support? Yes, guys, you will have access to our community chat, to my email, where you can ask me any questions and I will give you guidance, guys, personalized guidance. Welcome, everyone. I am so happy to see everyone are joining. All right, guys, let's give it a few minutes and I will be ending this webinar. It was a pleasure seeing all of you today, and I'm so excited to see you inside of my challenge, guys. I see all of you, all of my new students. You will be getting email from me with the bonuses, so make sure to check your emails. Welcome, everyone. All right, let's wait a few more minutes. You're welcome, guys. Oh, wait, wait. Yes, thank you for reminding me. I'm gonna share the file now. All right, guys, you should have the practice file. It says it's sharing. So where you see the offer, there's gonna be a tab next to it. Click on it, and this is the practice file. I don't see the practice file. So guys, if you can download and you don't see the practice file, just email me and I will send it to you. Yes, you got to download the practice file. Yes, good job, guys. Good job, good job. I see you guys downloading it. Awesome. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. I hope you learned something useful today. And also, I'm excited to hear if you guys can apply these tips at work. You can share on Instagram and tag me. And I will, I will be so happy to see it. Bye, everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. You're welcome. Bye, everyone.